Ready to make your home irresistible to buyers? Today we're going to focus on how to prepare your home for a successful sale. From decluttering to deep cleaning, discover the essential steps to make your home market ready. Hi, I'm Susie Stewardson with the Summit team. Getting your home market ready is crucial for a successful sale. Before considering any renovation, there are plenty of simple steps you can take to make your home more attractive and inspection ready. Set up your home to inspire offers. Your goal is to make prospective buyers see themselves living in your home. Now, here are some key areas to focus on. Your closets. Clean out and organize your closets to make them look spacious. Box up items you don't use often. Your clutter. Minimize clutter by boxing up items you don't need daily. Keep frequently used items accessible but hidden. Your housekeeping. Start with a deep clean. Make sure windows, fireplaces, fans, baseboards, carpets are spotless. Keep kitchens and bathrooms especially clean. Your furniture. Rearrange or remove furniture to make rooms look more spacious and welcoming. Typically, less is more when selling. Your personal stuff. Remove personal items like family photos and unique decorations. Make the space feel neutral so buyers can envision themselves there. Your home's nose. Ensure your home smells fresh. Clean and deodorize carpets, furniture, and walls if necessary. Use scented plug-ins or an essential oil diffuser for minor odors. Curb appeal. Make a great first impression by refreshing the mailbox, door hardware, lawn, and plants. Clean the driveway and porch and add new welcome mats. Take care of basic maintenance to ensure your home passes inspections smoothly. Here's a list of areas to check and fix. Gutter cleaning. Downspouts extended, landscaping, drainage, smoke and CO2 detectors, furnace filters, HVAC maintenance, garage door function, leaky faucets, torn screens, windows functioning, light bulbs, blinds and shades, door locks and gates. Now, major repairs address issues like mold, dry rot, leaks, bug problems before listing. If you can't afford repairs, consider getting guaranteed estimates for buyers to understand the costs involved. Now, what about major renovations? Deciding on major renovations like updating bathrooms or kitchens depends on various factors. Discuss these with your agent to understand market trends, potential returns, cost and time involved, and any disruptions to your family. Questions to ask your agent. Here are some helpful questions to ask your agent about preparing your home. How will you help me make my home market ready? What specific steps do you recommend for decluttering, cleaning, and organizing to attract buyers? What strategies do you suggest for enhancing curb appeal and making a great first impression? How do you recommend managing the home scent during showings to keep it fresh and inviting? What basic maintenance should I complete before listing, and can you provide a checklist? How do you approach major repairs or issues like mold or leaks? Should we address them before listing or provide estimates for buyers? Preparing your home for sale involves more than just cleaning and fixing things. It's about creating a space where buyers can see themselves living. By taking these steps, you make your home more appealing and increase your chances of a successful sale. In the next module, we'll discuss more strategies for selling your home. Thanks for watching and see you next time.